Hi. This video will explain how to use quote-to-invoice function on Telagus. Quote-to-invoice refers to the process of transferring the details from a quotation to an invoice. This ensures consistency between the agreed-upon estimate and the final billing, streamlining the billing process and minimizing discrepancies. To use the function in Telagus, log into Telagus and select Quotes under Finance menu from left menu bar. This will open a list of all the quotes created earlier in Telagus. A video on how to create a quotation is already available on Telagus CRM tutorials on YouTube. So, once a quotation is approved by the client and you want to create an invoice with same values and exact same items as the approved quotation, you just need to click on Quote to Invoice button from the Action column. Just confirm the clone action and done. The quote is now cloned to invoice. Once the success message is displayed, click on View Invoice button to view the newly created invoice based on the quotation. Invoice page will be displayed for your confirmation, and all the available content from quotation has now been copied to the invoice. A reference quote number will be displayed on the top right of the invoice to minimize the discrepancies. If you want to change anything in the invoice, go back to the list of invoices by clicking Back button from top left of the invoice. Then click on Update button to update the invoice details. You can treat the invoice as a normal invoice once it is copied from quote to invoice, and you can add, edit and delete the content, or can edit and delete the entire invoice as per your requirements. Watch the videos of quote and invoicing in Telagus YouTube channel to learn more about the functions. Thank you.